So this is my website. In this website, how to using for header tag, anchor text and using for alt tag. First of all, prepare your content. First, prepare your content with the proper title. Same title you can select by your image. The image name also you can add by the same name. The image also adding for same name. After that, select your admin panel to post your content purpose. First of all, add new post. When mention any title here, don't using any kind of special characters. Title will be don't use any kind of special characters. Add here. Now you're using for English. Now category will be using for health tips. After adding total content using for notepad. Using notepad. Is it clear? This is your option. Here I'm adding for health tips. I'm writing for which one? Health tips. Next, upload image. Upload image. Select it. When upload image, what are the title you mentioned by your news title? Same title mentioned by the your image title. Dynamic, we're not using for cPanel, we can using for what are the image name? Automatic taking for alt tag. So uploading image time. What are your title? Same name on your image name. Both are always same. The very fundamental logic for promoting for dynamic website. What are your title? Same title for your image. After that, add your title. Description. Benefit. Top health news. After click for submit, you have the video will be there. Upload video. But here my title is done. When title will be selected automatically, H1 tag will be accept. Second one, image will be I'm adding for alt tag. Next one, I'm using for anchor text. Anchor is nothing but after watching video, more videos, I'll give option called subscribe to my channel. Select your total one. Select your size. This will be I'm highlighting. Go to your YouTube channel. Here I'm adding for particular my channel. Select your channel. Copy URL. Go to back. I'm using for anchor text. Anchor is nothing but when click the link, they're going to where your YouTube channel. In this anchor link will be here link. What is my title? More videos. Subscribe to my channel. I'm clicking here. Add the URL. Here you always mentioned by HTTP. Yes. Now click for OK. Finally click for submit. Finally click for submit. Now we can go to news, health tips. I'll check the three options: alt tag, H1 tag, and anchor text. First, I'll show by anchor text. When I'm giving the anchor text, more videos, subscribe to my channel. They're going to my YouTube channel. This is mean by anchor text. To move your link one page to another page, one page to your option call is YouTube channel or any kind of channel. Now go back. Next, what is that? Image. Image done. Now, Control U. Now, what is my image name? This is my image name. How to check? Alt is equal to double quotes. Total asterisk copy. Alt is equal to total width. Control F. I'm zooming your page. Added here. What is the image? What I'm exactly using image? As the same name will be mentioned by the alt tag. So any dynamic, what are the image you're uploading? Same title you can mention by your image name. It's a mandatory field to recognize search engine by image optimization. So this one you can add it. Next one, H1 tag. So how do we can know the H1 tag? See, this will be alt tag. This one H1 tag. H1, Control V, and H1. Control F and H1. Is clear? H1 tag. What is it? Food you are should be eat to boost immunity power. How many H1 tag will be? Only 1 and 2. Means do nothing but only one H1 tag. One is open and the second will be close. That will be syntax we'll be using for this kind of option. Image SRC. The image particular image called alt tag. Header tag will be H1 H6 in middle. Anchor text will be hyperlink particular name. Which one? Control C. Now, YouTube link. And what is the name called? More videos. Subscribe your channel. Subscribe your channel. So this is your option. Now, here, look here, everything. So I'm clicking this link. I'm clicking this link. The open link will be same page. Yes. They open for the same tab. That will be rectified. Go to admin. Click for edit. In this syntax, we can use after link using for target is equal to underscore blank. Open for new tab. They open for same tab now. Just using for this syntax. Copy. Using for syntax here. Now we can use the option edit. Source edit. Just scroll down. Where I'm using for link here. After linking, just Control V. Now click for submit. So one I am using for directing, second I am using for coding part. Now you can using for this one. The user link. Once is updating here. You can refresh. So open for new tab. That is called using for target is equal blank. This is open for new tab. So one is called using for existing hyperlink option and using for coding option. This will be coding to use it by your particular option. In same like we can using for static website. So dynamic will be very easy. to upload the image and everything. But static website is total dependent by the cPanel. I'll open the static website. I'll open for static website. So in this, I'm using any static website. This is loading for your website. Now, in this static, first of all, log in for cPanel. Log in for cPanel. Now, first of all, you can check Control U, Control F. How many H1 tag? Only one H1 tag. Where I'm using for H1 tag will be season indoor swimming pool. These are my major keyword. Season is my company. Indoor swimming pool is my keyword. Here are how many keywords matching for swimming pool, season indoor swimming pool, and indoor swimming pool. This is a major H1 tag. This is called my using for major H1 tag. So everything to mention by your coding part. To mention by using for coding part. Let's go to file manager. Now coming to public underscore HTML. In this, select your page, edit. For the previous H1 tag will be, the name will be H1 tag. Yes or no? Now this name I will convert into H2. And I am converting to S2. But it is a H1. But I am just example purpose I am converting to S2. First of all, select your exact name. Go to coding, Control F, Control C. See this one. Yeah. For that H1, changing as H2. It's only for temporary to understanding purpose. Save changes. For the previous H1, I can refresh. For showing previous H1 tag will be found. Now will be H1 is a 0. But every website H1 is a mandatory field to update your content. So this coding will be here H1 H1 save changes and refresh. Then your H1 tag. So static website to implement by using cPanel. Then you implement by the your right in the admin panel. Next one. Coming to your images. Control F JPG. See this one. Every image will mention by what is called particular alt tag. See this. Now, let's look here. Image summer camp. I will give by option in this here. So first I am selecting for last image. For that, slider underscore 3 JPG. What is the image called? Temperature control indoor swimming pool in Kondapur. Yes. What location will be? Kondapur. Now, first you can check the image. The image will be Kondapur. Now, Control F, Control C. Okay, what the option is there? Kondapur. I'm writing for Nampal. I'm writing for which one? Nampal. For the previous is was the line for 160. I refresh. Now what? Same keyword I'm changing for place for particular image. So every image I'll mention the particular name called alt tag. This will be we can use it for static. Next one, anchor text. Next one, anchor text. So each link we can give the one specific name. The name is called anchor text. The name is called anchor text. So the all will be belongs to for in your option. Understanding is gallery, 3D view, and contact. So you can use it for in this option. Profile or HTML services all. So coming to header part. Now check. What is the option here? Gallery. Yes. I'm searching for photos. What is the name called here? What is shown here? Previous is name called gallery. Now I am showing for photos. Now click for photos. People can't understand name. You can give by one specific name called is understand by this will be your photos. You can check by your photo option. Is it clear? So any page, any link, one specific name called anchor text. Anchor is nothing but link activation. This is a link activation. These three will using the major functionality on your website. H1 tag using only one by static website will be only for one total website. But dynamic, each page you can use H1 tag only for one. This will be each image specific name called alt text, alternative text, and alt tag. Third one, header tag. Then your option call is anchor text. Removing any link, one particular name called anchor text. So I'll go back, change my name. Now refresh. It will show by photo renamed by the gallery. Photo renamed by the gallery option. So save changes. Done. What I mentioned for gallery. So this is called you can using by the alt tag, header tag, and the anchor text using static and the dynamic website. Any dynamic, the major functionality, what are the image you are uploading, the title name, image name, both are same. So automatically when you mention title, it will be default will select by the H1 tag. We have checked by the developer backend. Next will be you can use a hyperlink, same page using by the same link. If we go for another page, another tag, look for target is equal double close using underscore blank. This will be major important option for using three options: alt, header, and anchor text.